Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you this perfect ganache recipe I'll be using for this drip cake. So if you want to know more, stay tuned. For the ingredients, we only need maybe three ingredients. We need some white chocolate and cream, and you can also add some cocoa if you want to turn it into a milk chocolate like what I did. The first thing I'll be making is the drip of our cake. This drip is a 1-to-1 ratio of chocolate and cream. I'll be using 100 grams of chocolate, of white chocolate, and I'll be putting in 100 grams of heated cream. It is now time to make the base for our cake. So I'll be needing 900 grams of chocolate and I'll be heating it in the microwave just until it is melted. Then, I'll be heating my cream and then mixing them together to form one whole mixture. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Now for the decorations, I'll be using some Oreos. I'll be dusting this with some bronze luster powder. I always put a bit of icing on the bottom part so that it prevents the cake from moving all around. And now I'm putting some simple syrup and I'll be filling in my cake with alternate dark and white ganache. And I'll be topping it with some crushed Oreos. Now I'll be adding a bit of cocoa to my white chocolate. When the consistency is like this, refrigerate it for maybe around 20 minutes or until it's piping consistency. Using a piping bag, I'm coating the cake all around with ganache and I'll be smoothing it out with a spatula. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. Now for the drip part. It's always important to test out the drip first. Make sure the drip is the right consistency you want. Once it's okay, just continue to put the drip all over the cake. For decor, I'm putting some chocolate rosettes on top of the cake. Make sure you test your ganache if it's the right piping consistency. A right piping consistency should be something like this. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper. I have some chocolate malt balls here and I'll be dusting them with some gold luster powder for a really nice shiny effect. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that who really care what Simon said. All the bad things, girl, I have also some white berry nuts here that I'm just sticking to the side, just for a bit of color and shape. And now here is our final product. Hope you like this video, and if you want more cake and cooking videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye!